How to join Instagram beta program. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on three lines at the top right. After that, simply scroll down and you will find early access to feature option. Simply scroll down, click on it, and then turn on join the beta program. If it's not available, what you can also do is open Play Store, search Instagram, and you'll find join beta here as well. Simply click on it. It's not available in my region, but it may be available in your region. And this is how to join Instagram beta program. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.